Beautiful people, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are gonna make Daal Gosht. So here I'm taking half kg of beef, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. So here I'm taking 3 large onion which is sliced. So here is some dry ingredients, all spices. I'm taking 4 to 5 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of clove, 1 tablespoon of cumin and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon sticks, half teaspoon of black pepper. So let's start making it. First of all, we have to brown these spices and onions. Heat up the oil and fry the dry ingredients. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will fry it for 1 minute. So now we will add the onions. So let's set. Firstly, we have to brown the onions. Our onion is brown enough, I'm gonna add the meat. So now we have to saute it for this with this brown onion for 5 minutes. We will roast it. As you can see, it's changing its color. So now it's roasted enough. I'm gonna add the ginger garlic paste, salt. Now we will roast it again. Keep roasting it. We will roast it for more 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the turmeric powder, red chili powder. So after adding half cup of water, I'm roasting again. Roast it. So now we will add the water, because now we have to cook it. We have to add enough water because we have to make sure the meat is completely tender, so it should be covered properly. So now it's enough. First we have to let it boil, then we will cover it. Started boiling, I will cover it and cook it on the low flame, medium low flame. After 2.5 hours, our meat is tender completely. And now we have to roast it, saute it. Roasting the dry spices, I've taken here 1.5 tablespoon of dry coriander and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We have to roast it. So now it's almost done. We have to grind it. As you can see, it's brown. And I'm gonna grind it. So now I'm adding here half cup of yogurt. It's completely grinded. So here I've boiled 250 grams of chickpea pulses, which is dal chana. It's soft, completely boiled. So now I'm adding here the boiled pulses. So I'm adding here around 1 cup of water. So now I'm adding here that grinded spices, and half teaspoon of allspice powder. Mix it. So now I'm taking here 5 to 6 Hyderabadi green chilies. Just give it a cut from like this, and now I'm adding here. And that's it. Adding here some mint leaves and coriander leaves. It's almost done now. Simmer it for 2 minutes on the low flame, and it's done now. I'm gonna dish it out. This is our final look of chane ki dal gosht. I think you like this recipe. I hope you subscribe my channel. That really means a lot to me. And if you did, so thank you so much. Also press the bell icon so you will never miss any video from Cook with Komal. And it's really so delicious curry. Make it and share your experience in the comment section below. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.